Hey everyone, it's Sarah Bhattarai from 4-H in Weber County. Today I'm going to show you how to make straw rockets. For this activity, you will need paper, straws, scissors, and tape. You can also use markers or a ruler, but these are optional. First, we need to cut a rectangle out of the paper, about 3 inches tall. You can use your straw to measure or a ruler, but it does not have to be exact. Now I would say this rectangle is pretty wide, so I'm going to cut the paper in half. For this next step, you will need your straw and tape. Roll the paper around the straw, creating a tube, and tape it in place. This is the body of the rocket. It needs to be airtight, but it shouldn't be too tight against the straw. Now you need to find a way to close off the top of the body of the rocket. I'm going to fold over the top and tape it, but there are many ways to do this. What works best for your design? Before you go any further, now is a good time to test your rocket. If it's not working for you, then check to see if the rocket is too tight against the straw or if the top isn't airtight. Once you know your design is successful, it's time to dress it up. You can add fins and a cone to make it look like a rocket, but as you can see, that's not really my forte. Instead, I like to print out characters for my straw rockets. What does your rocket design look like? You can share pictures of your rockets, or you can find more activities over at our Facebook group, Weber County 4-H STEM.